on your digital animated layout, open your timeline, and zoom to page. Select the object you want to animate, and go to the Animation tab. Slide animations are available for intro and outro. Click the slide icon. You can select an ease type and a tween. Select where you want the object to slide from. Here, we'll select left. Then, select the slide offset. This is the starting point of your animation. You can use the slider to visualize its starting point. Then, head over to the timeline to decide when the animation will start and how long it will last. Lastly, you can customize this animation on different aspect ratios.